Heat advisory still in effect for about another 40 minutes or so, up until 7 o'clock for the Valley counties, except for the extreme coastal areas here of Wilsey and Cameron County. But got pretty hot today and a lot of humidity. The heat index between now and then is still in about the 100 to 117 range, or even a little hotter. So the heat with some extra humidity today really making it feel extra hot out there. And it's still 101 in Rio Grande City, down to 96 in McAllen and Edinburg, and 90 in Raymondville. So not too cool out there today at all, even with the breeze blowing. But the feels like temperature, the heat index, up around 105 to 110, or in some places hotter than that right now, even 115 in Rio Grande City. So very hot evening. Slow down, stay cool, and stay hydrated on these hot evenings like this. It will be just about the same tomorrow too. It's going to be a very hot Saturday across the valley. Breeze is still blowing from the south, about 15 to 20 miles per hour, and a few higher gusts, but just bringing up more and more humidity into the air. And tomorrow, temperatures about the same as today, about 105 in Rio Grande City and Roma, 104 in San Ysidro. The heat index will still be up around 115 or so, or a little hotter. So slow down again tomorrow. Just find some place cool. 102 in McAllen tomorrow for a high, about 98 in Weslaco and Elsa, and mostly in the 90s in Cameron and Wolsey counties, but upper 80s along the coast. But everywhere should be at least a little breezy again in the afternoon. Pretty quiet across Texas right now. We have dry weather, and if you are traveling for the weekend, we'll show you the travel forecast next half hour. But Saturday should be a dry day around the state. Sunday, especially toward the evening hours, it might start to get kind of stormy again across parts of the hill country and toward the western or Del Rio and north of Laredo. So kind of watch that area if you are traveling. But again, we'll show you the travel forecast and the European model next half hour. Future track here does show a lot of humidity tonight. There could be some low clouds forming late tonight and through tomorrow morning. And then during the day, mostly sunny skies, hot again, temperatures up well into the 90s, or some places over 100 degrees as you saw. Tomorrow night then still looks very muggy too, when temperatures have a hard time dropping much below 80 degrees. Sunday should be another dry day. Maybe a few extra high clouds could come in and may shave 1 or 2 degrees or so off the temperature. So it might be a tiny bit cooler on Sunday, but really not much different from Saturday. And then by the time we get to Monday, should start off dry, but notice when we zoom out, there is a line of showers and some storms that could be lurking toward the north. So it's possible that there is a cold front up here that could push some of this rain down our way by later Monday afternoon or evening or into Monday night. And some of it could be kind of heavy if it does make it this far. So kind of keep an eye on Monday. Watch Monday's forecast, because there could be some rain nearby or coming in. And rain chances tomorrow and Sunday are dry, but then 50% chance for rain on Monday. And again, that's mostly as we get toward the evening hours on Monday and then into Monday night. So if you want to cool off at the coast, dry this weekend for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures mostly in the 80s all day tomorrow at the island, with southerly winds around 20 to 25 miles per hour. Water temperatures in the low 80s across the valley, and temperatures staying warm all day. The tides, still haven't fixed this. This is high tide at 7:21 in the morning. This is low tide at 10:52 in the evening, and a small craft advisory until 7 o'clock today. But that might come back tomorrow because of those breezy conditions. So tonight, your first 1-5 forecast down to about 80 degrees. A very muggy night. Remember, most of the evening through sunset will still be in the 90s, and then most of the evening after that slowly falling through the 80s. And a breeze from the southeast will keep those temperatures up too overnight. And then tomorrow looks very similar to today's weather. Highs in the upper 90s. From about McAllen westward, it could hit 100 degrees. So hot, sunny, breezy again by afternoon. There may be some clouds in the morning. And the first 1-5 70 forecast, remember, about the same on Sunday. Monday is a Memorial Day holiday and probably going to be dry most of the daytime. But if you have plans in the late afternoon, say after about 4 o'clock and then through the evening, that might be the best time frame to see some rain or storms that might be kind of heavy, either in the valley or just north of the valley. And after that, there's a cold front nearby that will keep the rain chances going. Not a lot of rain every day, but periods of showers or a storm, or a daytime shower or storm could pop up somewhere every day next week, with the best chances of rain through about Tuesday and Wednesday before they lower a bit. Well, we'll keep an eye on the rain chances for you in your first 1-5 forecast coming up.